welcome to my channel. I'm Asmita Munishwar and today I'm going to review a book called Building Life by Lawrence Berry. This book is of 50 pages and this book is like a complete blueprint of how to have a successful life or how to have a happy successful life. As every book, this book also starts with the introduction, and the introduction starts with a beautiful quote. The quote is written by Maya Angelou. Writer says that the success today is a lot different from what it has been from like ancient time. At that time, people have to look for a shelter, save them from creatures and like these things, which is actually I found it funny. But what writer wanted to say that we are not living in that world, so success is a lot more easier for us to get, but we are in confusion and we are not able to find the right way to get to the success, even if we are not having that much difficulties in life. Let's start with chapter 1. Find your drive, your motivation and your dream. So everybody has a dream, and here writer shares his small story where how he got his passion, how he find out he want to be a writer, and which is quite inspiring. As being a scholar student or getting good grades in school, people mostly think of us like this guy or girl is going to be a doctor or an engineer, and that's what happened with the writer, how he turned to be a writer and how he realized his passion is what writer has shared. Writer said that many people believe that they have been given some purpose in life, but writer think that rather than finding your purpose, you should create your own purpose. Chapter 2, the power of repetition. Writer really believed the concept of repetition, that if you repeat something every day, that eventually comes true. So it is quite similar to what Shah Rukh Khan said in Om Shanti Om. अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Now many people will misunderstand it and they might think that I can think about anything and it might happen. So it's not like that. Let me tell you an example. It's my own example. Just imagine you are inspired by other painters and now you want to be a painter. So you tell yourself that you want to be a painter, like every day regularly, and there will be like a day or like after some weeks you will find yourself actually looking for knowledge how to be a painter, and you will eventually start making some paintings. Even if they are bad paintings, you will still start painting, and in this way you can progress. Just imagine you say this thing, I want to be a painter, for like 2 years every day, and you work hard for it. It can be a big progress and you can be like a better painter from what you have been before. Chapter 3, dream board, which is my favorite. So here the writer says that list out the things that you like and you want them in your life like after 4 to 5 years. So if you list out things like if I want to be a cricketer, or I want to buy a house or something like that, I want to have a happy family, have the pictures. If you want to like I said, if you want to be a cricketer, then have a poster of a cricketer like Kohli or Dhoni. And if you want to buy a house or something for yourself, then have a picture of a house and a picture of a family, and put all this thing into a one board and hang it in a place where you can find it, it's easy for you to see, and make sure that these pictures are clear. So every day when you wake up and you see this, it will actually inspire you and help you to get closer to your dreams. And fourth chapter is improving your chance of success. So writer says that success is more about happiness than money, which is actually truth. If you connect your dreams or your success to like money, fame, it might not do good to you, because somewhere you need happiness in your life, and if you don't have it, money doesn't matter then. Writer shares some points which are related to happiness and success, which are like unity value, personal control, social support. Chapter 5, financial intelligence. Here the writer gives some tips that which are important to save your money, right? Spend less than you earn. This is what you must have heard many times. The writer gives the action step, which is actually a solution, where the writer says that before buying anything, like if you have a problem, you buy like senselessly whatever you see and you think like excited and you buy it. So before doing that, the writer says just wait and think for 10 seconds if you really need it. Is it a valuable thing which put value in your house or in your life? To think that before buying anything. Chapter 6, listen before you speak. Now communication is a really important part of life. If you don't know how to communicate with people, life can be difficult. Most people do this mistake. They try to be interesting than being interested. So writer said that you should act like you are interested, because many people are not interested in your life, what you have, how many cars you have. But if you ask them about their life, people are really interested about telling. So next time when you are talking to somebody, be more interested in what they are talking about. Chapter number 7, which is improving your health. There are many things that writer have said about health. There is one thing that I would definitely like to share. Writer has written something about cheat days. So writer says that you shouldn't have cheat days until you have achieved your goal, because if you have cheat days before achieving your goal, it might delay your progress and it will make hard for you to achieve your goal. So here we are at the last chapter, the 8th chapter, what writer calls it the bonus information, where the writer has gave some information about the stocks for the beginners. Writer has explained like trading and what are mid stocks and min stocks. So if you are interested in stocks as well, so please go and read this book. The link is in the description. What more I can say about this? I really like the way writer has given some solution as action steps. There are many action steps as well as the writer has given some quotes. It's like 2-3 quotes per chapter, so it keeps you interested in the book. And at the beginning of the chapters, writer has wrote a paragraph where he's like, stop reading right here, I want to share something important, take some notebook and pen and write some notes. So that was kind of kept me interesting in the whole book. So this book is really good, so go ahead and read this book. If you like this video, you might like my another video, so please go in the description and watch my another videos as well. So that's it for today guys. I'll meet you next time. Till then, stay motivated.